get into the look, guys. So starting right out of the gate, you've seen me do my foundation, you've seen it. I'm starting with my transition color, so I'm just taking like a medium color brown, and I'm just kind of building. And the only reason I do this is kind of to take down that highlight where you see the concealer is just under the brow, so it's kind of just to put the pigment back there, and I don't have like just a big space of bright concealer. So just a transition color.
Lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Spend tomorrow away, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down.
So I know you guys can't see the eyeshadow that I'm using. This one that I'm using, I actually end up switching over to the Juvia's Place Coffee Palette, and then I just use the lightest one that they have. So this one is kind of like, it's like a white nude, and I'm just going to pop it in the inner corners. In a minute, you're going to see me switch out, because this one from this palette that I'm using, it just wasn't giving. It just wasn't giving. So I'm just going to pop in the brighter color in the corner of my eye, and then in the middle, I'm going to go with more peachy nude. It's going to be more peachy, and then at the end of my eye, I'm going to blend it back in with brown. So this is where I'm going in with the peachy, and then I'm going to go brown. So it's a 3-color like transitional cut crease.
Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Spend tomorrow away, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
So right here is where I decided to put gold where the line of the cut crease was. So all I did was take like a flat brush and just put gold there, and then I'm just gonna put on my lashes. So yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity,